Today, I'm going to be giving you a closer look at this essential oil set from Modelones. This is Mere Product Reviews. This oil set really comes with a beautiful packaging, so it's lovely to give as a gift. In fact, the back of the box here describes the essential oils that are in the pack and some uses for them right there on the box. These oils are 100% pure and natural, and they're USDA certified organic. By the way, stick around to the end of my video for a 20% off coupon code for this set of essential oils. It also comes along with a really useful guidebook explaining how to use each essential oil. It goes into detail for what each oil is good for and different ideas for use. I really love the look of these beautiful brown square bottles. The 6 essential oils that come in this kit have been described as the most popular aromatherapy oils, all in one set, and these are really the oils that I use most often in my home. Essential oils can be used in so many different ways in your home. You can use them in a diffuser, you can use them for massage, for bathing, you can pour a little bit in the bathtub, and you can use them to make home cleaners. Today I'm going to show you how I make my favorite all-purpose cleaner DIY at home using my essential oils. I like to use tea tree oil for this and lavender. Not only do these two things have a calming effect, but they also have cleaning purposes, which I'll get into in a minute. And besides those essential oils, it's just vinegar and water. So I keep a bottle at home for my all-purpose cleaner here, and I put on the back here my little recipe for it. So I just put on labels, and then I take clear packaging tape to put over top of it because I tend to get it wet when I refill the bottle. Okay, let's get on to this cleaner. I use a half a cup of vinegar. My little measuring cup here only goes up to a quarter cup, so I do that twice. Vinegar is really great for deodorizing and degreasing. Also, because it's acidic, it breaks up buildups quite well. So vinegar is a really great staple for any all-purpose cleaner around your house. You actually do want to avoid using vinegar if you've got like a quartz countertop or some kind of stone. So always check up on that because it can actually do some harm to the etching on your stone. But besides that, my all-purpose cleaner, I love to use this in my bathtubs, on my bathroom sinks, besides one downstairs that has a quartz countertop, so I don't use it there. And I use this in my dog's kennel and to clean out her bed because it really deodorizes really well, keeps it really clean, and I know exactly what's in this cleaner and I know that it's safe for my dog and around my house for my family. Now you can measure out specifically the water. I just know with these bottles, if I don't have it measured out, that I just fill the bottle up to the top. Now let's get into why these oils are my favorites for my all-purpose cleaner that I use at home. I've tried a couple of them. I almost always use tea tree oil in my cleaners at home because tea tree oil has lots of cleansing properties. So it has antiseptic properties and also antibacterial properties. So you want that antibacterial cleaner at home, put in some tea tree oil. Really just 10 drops in a huge bottle like this will do it. And lavender is a great thing to add into your home cleaner as well. Not only does it have a really beautiful smell that's soothing and relaxing, those qualities that we all know about lavender, but it's also antibacterial as well. I also really love to add in peppermint in addition to tea tree in a cleaner, but it can really have a cooling effect, which can be very nice. But when I'm cleaning out my dog's kennel and bed, I want it to have a warm feeling and more of that soothing lavender rather than that cool peppermint. So I really just add in 10 to 15 drops of these essential oils here. You can split that up evenly or do 10 drops of tea tree and 5 drops of lavender. I'm having a little bit of difficulty with these bottles because they are glass and I'm having just a little bit of difficulty getting the oils to drop out. So they're a little bit thicker in texture, these, where some of the ones like orange and stuff like that run a little bit more smoothly, the citrus ones. So because these are glass bottles, you can't squeeze them to get them to drip out, so sometimes they don't come out as smoothly. Now what I've learned after filming this video, because I have other bottles that I haven't had this issue with, they drip out a little bit better. But what I've learned from this is if you warm up the essential oils a little bit, they will drip out faster. So I'm not talking about seriously heating, but like taking the bottle and putting it underneath your armpit just to use your body heat to warm it up makes a difference. Also, tapping it right here along the side of the bottle doesn't really work very well, but if you're to take your finger to tap on the bottom or kind of wiggle the bottle back and forth, it really works a whole lot better, where you might think that shaking it out would make a difference, and it really doesn't. So hopefully those tips are helpful for you. So you just close the bottle and shake it up, and there you go, you've got an all-purpose cleaner. Another oil combination that's one of my favorites would be eucalyptus and peppermint. I love to put this in a diffuser, especially when my kids or I are sick with a little cold, and this is so lovely and soothing. Let's go through these oils one by one so you can see why they're the most popular. Frankincense for breathing and peace. Rosemary for pain relief and improving brain function. Lavender for soothing, relaxation, and better sleep. Eucalyptus for optimism and to invigorate. Peppermint for concentration and clarity. And tea tree for mental health, immunity, and cleansing. This essential oil kit comes with all my favorites besides ylang ylang. I love that one too, and it's not involved in this kit. But besides that, the rest of them are my favorites. I got my set on Amazon, and as usual, you can find the product link for this in my write-up below. And as promised, a coupon code. Simply type this code in at checkout and you can save 20% on this purchase. Modelones has been kind enough to give me this discount code so I can share it with all of you. Thank you so much for joining me here at Mare Product Reviews. I hope that this review has been helpful. Check out my channel for more product reviews just like this one, and be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss a single video. I'll see you guys next time.